Hey friends, if you encounter this error, the sign-in method that you're trying to use isn't allowed, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So there are a few sign-in methods like, for example, fingerprint or eye scanner or facial recognition, which may be supported by your computer, but it might not be set. For the time being, log into your computer with your password and then right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Now go to the Accounts tab on the list on the left-hand side, scroll down and select this thing sign in options. Now you can turn the switch off to allow more sign in options, or you can set up more sign in options here. For example, I don't have a fingerprint scanner or facial recognition, but if I had, then I would have set it up, or I could use a security key to use a USB to log into my computer. So this is what I could do. Other than this, you can search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. Also, we need to be updated to make sure that these sign-in options are allowed. So we need the latest security updates. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and click on Check for Updates in the right pane to update your system to the latest version. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.